Spectrum cable box error L8 often appears as L8 or no signal on your TV, indicating a disruption in the connection between your cable box and the TV, or the cable source itself. Key causes include loose or damaged coaxial or HDMI cables, power interruptions or insufficient power supply, signal overload from multiple devices, or occasional software glitches. Spectrum's diagnostic system uses this error code to quickly pinpoint the problem, aiming for resolution without requiring a technician. With Spectrum's transition to digital services, this error is less common on Spectrum One hybrid boxes. Spectrum recommends a simple reset to resolve error L8 in most cases. First, unplug the power cord from your Spectrum cable box and wait 30 to 60 seconds. This allows the capacitors to discharge fully. Next, carefully inspect all cable connections, coaxial, HDMI, and power, ensuring they are securely plugged in. After checking the connections, plug the cable box back in and turn on your TV. Wait for the box to complete its boot-up sequence, which usually takes 2 to 5 minutes. If the error persists, try rebooting your modem and router. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset through the box's menu, Settings, Troubleshooting, Reset. But be aware that this will erase all personalized settings. Contact Spectrum support if all else fails.